Hey guys, so basically this is part 3 to the quarantine clean out. If you're watching this, you've probably already seen part 1, look at my butt, and 2, but if you haven't, go watch those. But I got an email that the shelf is supposed to be coming on the 27th. Sorry, that was gross. And then the bed is supposed to be coming the 29th. So until then, I don't think I'm gonna film anything, but I'll see you on the 27th. Anyways, I was thinking about making like a birthday video. It wouldn't be a normal birthday video. It'd be like what I've learned living for 16 years. Basically what I've been through, what I've learned through high school, middle school, fake friends, real friends. So yeah. If I do end up posting that, I would have been up before this video, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out if I did post it. I did end up posting it, so go check it out. Link in description. It's a really good video, so if you decide you want to watch any video over quarantine, I really recommend it. It's really good, so yeah, go watch it. I forgot to mention this, but the floating shelf came yesterday and the bed came today, so we're gonna set it up tomorrow after my 2 classes, and then I'll show you the progress. Okay, I have to be quiet, but I just had an AP class, so yeah, I'm gonna give like a final overview of everything before we move everything. Well, not everything, but you know what I mean, so let's go. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Ooh, it's so messy. Progress. Oh my god. My bed stuff and my mattress. Ew. It's literally gone. And we vacuumed, or my dad vacuumed for me, but it's literally gone. Like, it's not there. The base is built. We just have the slabs and put the mattress back on. Okay, so they gave us the wrong pieces for that, so we're gonna have to like order them. But this is it. It's like so much lower that I'm gonna get like 3 or 2 paintings there to fill in the space, but I like it. It looks so, oh my gosh, that's crazy. So I'm gonna put the books from those 2 drawers into those 2. They're pretty small, so I like the drawers a lot though. Oh my god. These are the books in the first drawer. I think I'm gonna try to get rid of some because that drawer is a lot smaller and these books are heavy. So yeah, I'll show you what I get rid of and keep, but yeah. Okay, I did this drawer. It looks really good, so yeah. And then in this drawer, I'll either put all of this trash or all of those books. But the thing is, these books are really heavy because they're all hardback, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. That is the progress. So, as you can see, I was editing and I forgot to give an update on the drawers. So, basically, the bottom one with all of the hardback books did not go in that drawer. My dad suggested to put them under the mattress. So if you can see them, they're under there. And this second drawer is basically a miscellaneous drawer. But now this is empty. It's only like my shoes, which I'll put outside. But that's like all I've done today. And then hopefully we can figure out what to do with the floating shelf. So I have to clean all of this and that. And then I'll give you like the final room tour in part 4. You can hear my mom getting ice. But basically, we took that out. There's one drawer left. But it's just that. It's so empty and it's gross. But yeah, that's the update. Notice a difference. It's crazy because it would always block the mirror right there. But yeah, that's empty. So we put it up, but it's kind of small. So I have to decorate it, which is the fun part. I'll meet you, or I'll show you when I do some of it. Because I don't know. This globe like hits the wall so it doesn't stay. But yeah. Update time. So this is basically the same, I think. My desk is getting emptier and we moved it over. I think it looks weird like that, but maybe I'll move it all the way over. I don't know yet. And I need places to put this stuff and that stuff. I mean, the rest is kind of clean. It's just really empty. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the video here so I can leave some extra surprise for the room tour. But if you haven't already, go watch part 1 and part 2, and then I'll post the room tour soon. Thanks for watching.